Good morning, Storytime friends. Today's book is the Cars and Trucks book by Todd Parr. The Cars and Trucks book. Vroom! It's another busy day for all the cars and trucks. Some cars are fast. Some cars are slow. Here's a car and a turtle, and this car is even slower than the turtle. Some buses take you to a vacation. And they have their suitcases on top of the bus. Some buses take you to school. All cars and trucks love to be on the road. There's one driven by a dinosaur. And I see a tractor. And a bookmobile. Lots of different kinds of trucks. There's a pizza delivery truck, some other food trucks, tacos. Some trucks help keep the streets clean. There's a brush underneath that's cleaning the street. Some trucks help keep the earth clean. That's a recycling truck. Some trucks help on the farm. A tractor. You can see what they're growing too on the farm. You see some lettuce, some carrots. Oh, some little bunny came for the carrots. Some strawberries. Some trucks help in the city. All cars and trucks love to be clean. And this is a car wash. They're washing the trucks. Some trucks deliver books. Some trucks deliver laundry. Some trucks wash dirty dogs. A dog grooming truck. Some trucks serve hot dogs. This is a food truck. All cars and trucks love to help people. An ambulance. And I think there's a fire truck. This is a truck where a person is riding in the van. It's a van. Some trucks haul dirt. Some trucks play in the dirt. This truck has huge wheels. Some trucks carry trucks. That's a big truck and a little truck. Some trucks carry ducks. This is a truck that goes on a road and then it can go straight into the water and float. Some cars like to drive in the snow. Some cars like to drive to the beach. You can see it's a sunny day. All cars and trucks love to say goodnight. All the different kinds of cars and trucks. Cars and trucks help us do a lot of things, but it's also good to take the bus or ride a bike. There's a stoplight and a traffic light you see on the roads. That's our book for today, Storytime friends. See you next week.